Yo, what's up, everyone? Today is going to be a quick little recap over the trade I took today on the mini ES. Let's get into it. All right, so I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm going to be kind of going over more just like concepts and taking trades off of ideas and overall bias that I have. So going into the market today, I was bearish because we had the new week opening gap and we just been super extended, just buying, buying, buying. We had these data highs and lows, which also were a draw on liquidity. So I did make note of that. And then that was pretty much it. Going into the market open, we see that we form like a little SMT right here and then immediately get legs up. There was a little pullback right here, which would have been sick, but there was no market structure shift, so I couldn't actually get into the trade. We ended up just like going crazy to the data highs. Um, and then from there, I was like, all right, let's see what's going on. We're still going. And then we keep on just delivering up into like price keeps going higher. And then after that, I was like, all right, let's see if we'll try to retrace. And so I took note of this little range right here, which I mean, you could have taken this range as well, but it really doesn't matter. I'll do this range for like better sake. How about that? So we see tap into equilibrium, and what I noticed was this fair value gap uh, getting respected. And once I saw that getting respected in equilibrium, I took note of that. And then immediately we see that we get a market structure shift right after the respect of the candle. And I was like, all right, my internal model might be able to play out here, which is what I'm looking for. And then price comes up right to the run range, comes back into equilibrium, and I basically entered off this fair value gap that was originally getting respected with the tight stop loss. And that's also what I've been doing is very like low risk because they're not necessarily my like A plus strategy, but high reward for sure because put in 5 contracts here, took off 2 here or 3 here, and then 2 up here. We see that standard deviation plays out very well. Come into this like 1 range or 2 and 2.5 range, took out right here. We also formed an S&P that was bearish, so that also made me very unsure about like keeping the rest of my like contracts out or just waiting for full TP. So did put that stop loss to break even, and then after that, that was pretty much it. Just waited. We chopped for 30 minutes. Right here, that the circle part that I marked out, we see that we get a big extension out of this like BPR range that we originally formed the SMT in, and then a little retest, and then just a huge candle to final TP. That'll be it. Ooh, this is looking kind of good. That'll be it. Thank y'all for watching. That'll wrap it up. Like I said, kind of a quick video. But if you did enjoy it, if you learned something, consider giving me a like, subscribe, because I give more in-depth ones later. This was kind of just like a quick little one. But yeah, thank y'all for watching and have a good one.